We've received 3 consecutive signals from our Metatrader 4 platform. These are GBPCAD, AUDCAD, and AUDJPY, all showing buy alerts. Our next step is to verify each signal by cross-referencing with the corresponding pocket option charting graphs to determine if the trades are viable. Looking at AUDJPY specifically, we can identify a strong reversal point that suggests an upward trend reversal. This looks like a promising setup, so we'll execute a buy trade with a 2-minute expiration time. AUDCAD is also showing a clear reversal point, confirming our entry for a 2-minute trade. Now, GBPCAD has the strongest reversal setup of all 3 signals. This one is so clear that we don't even need additional confirmation from corresponding indicators. The signal itself provides excellent entry conditions. This strategy consistently delivers a high win rate, ranging between 70 to 85%. Let's review our results. AUDJPY ended as a fair trade. AUDCAD secured a win for us. We're sitting at a 50-50 situation in the current market conditions. And finally, GBPCAD also resulted in a win. Remember, the key settings for this strategy are 2-minute expiry time using Heikin-Ashi candles on a 5-second time frame. While reviewing our results, we've just received another trading alert. Your JP is showing an up signal. Looking at our pocket option chart, the trend is clearly indicating upward momentum. Based on this setup, we're confident in taking a buy position with a 1 to 2-minute expiration. Let's execute this trade without hesitation and capitalize on this opportunity. Watch the rest of the video to see how this trade unfolds, and make sure to follow us for more quick trading strategies, especially designed for pocket option trading. Also, make sure to choose 80% plus static return, and remove low return currencies and adjust the pocket option open pairs and the Metatrader 4 currencies.